If you've ever wondered how to automate task assignments based on team roles without wasting hours manually sorting responsibilities, you're in the right place. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, step by step. I tested all the top tools, and I'll be using the software that gave me the fastest, cleanest setup. If you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, just for viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. First, open the software we're using and head to your workspace or project dashboard. The goal is simple. Automatically assign tasks to specific people based on their role, whether it's developer, designer, project manager, or anything else your team uses. Step 1, go into your automation or workflow settings. Most modern tools have this built in. Look for something like Automate or Custom Rules. We're going to create a rule that triggers whenever a new task is created. Step 2, set the trigger. Select when a task is added or when a task is created. This tells the system when to check for a role-based assignment. Now here's the key part. Add a condition. You'll choose something like if task tag includes design or if task type is bug fix. This is how the system knows what kind of task it is. Then you assign the action. For example, assign to user with role tell as designer. Or if your tool doesn't directly support roles, you can assign based on keywords in the task name or section it's added to. Some software even lets you use dynamic fields like role owner to make this more flexible. Optional, but powerful, add a fallback. If no one is tagged with that role, assign it to a backup like the team lead or project manager. This ensures nothing gets lost. You can duplicate this rule across departments. One for developers, one for customer support, one for QA, and just change the condition and role each time. Once you've set up a few automations like this, test it. Add a task and see if it goes to the right person based on their role. If your software allows logging or email notifications, turn those on so you can track when automations run. Now the beauty here is this works at scale. Whether you're onboarding a new client, starting a sprint, or launching a campaign, your task assignments flow instantly to the right people based on their role with zero extra effort from you. Here's the key takeaway. Automating task assignments based on team roles not only saves time, it eliminates confusion, speeds up your workflows, and gives every team member instant clarity on what they're responsible for. Quick recap. Open your automation settings, set the trigger to task creation, add conditions based on task type or tags, assign based on roles, add fallbacks, then test it out and scale it across your team. If you want to follow this exact setup, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software we used in the description, only available for viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. Definitely take advantage of that if you want to streamline your team workflows starting today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.